Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Maria and I'm the girl behind the blog Sweet Life Housewife. Today I'm going to be unboxing my fall PopSugar 2019. This is a seasonal box and I'll just jump right in. This is the purse. You had a choice of 3 different colors and I chose this one because I have a beige bag that has gold hardware. And so I thought if I have an outfit that may work better with silver hardware, that I would like this. And I do have a lot of neutrals in my wardrobe, that's why I chose this one. But it has like this little closure that I can't do. Okay, there we go. And it's just one open compartment. It's leather, and it's a nice quality, handmade in Great Britain, real leather, Cambridge Satchel Company. So that's the bag. And then Prada, did you go to the bathroom? When she goes in her litter box, she always wants a treat. Come here. Okay, good girl. So next is this brew bottle. It's a hot and cold brew, and it's treated so that it doesn't hurt your hands. So anyway, it's got a leak-proof lid, and it makes cold brew tea and coffee. So that'll be interesting. It also came with some loose leaf tea, so I guess I'll try to do a tea in there. I've got tea in the last PopSugar too. I could honestly do without so much tea, but maybe the universe is trying to tell me that I should be drinking more tea. It's good for me. This is one thing that I'm actually looking forward to trying because I keep breaking out on my chin area and stuff, and that is Love and Charcoal mask. And charcoal masks are great, but since we go back and forth every week between 2 different houses, I think that having one at both is a good idea. Especially, oh my god, it smells amazing. I'm gonna use this directly after this. I actually just bought a microdermabrasion tool at Nordstrom, and so I'll do this and then do my microderm and see how that works out. Anyway, I digress. The other thing is this Charlotte Tilbury lipstick. You had a choice, and I kind of wish that I got Walk of Shame. It was a darker color and more reddish, and this one I got is called Pillow Talk, and I'm gonna put it over this like sort of color that I have. You can use it with basically like any lip liner. It's just a really neutral color, Pillow Talk. I thought that was a cute name, but Walk of Shame is more fun. Anyway, this other thing that came in here are these Collagen Peptides, and this is just like a bonus that you get like 3 packages. It looks like you pour it into water, and it's collagen. The last time I just went and had a facial, she actually recommended that I get some collagen, so that's pretty cool. And the other thing, I don't know what happened to it. Oh, here it is. This little mirror, which it's always nice to have a little mirror. I have one in my bag that I'm carrying right now, and it's a little bit thicker. So this takes up less space. It's kind of nice to have just a little slim mirror. You never know if you want to check if you have something in your teeth or fix your lipstick or get an eyelash out of your eye. I always like to have a mirror. So that's that. And then the other thing is, they always give you something good to eat. I wish they would give me 2 good to eats and less tea. But anyway, my jeans don't say that as I'm getting ready to go to the gym. This is pumpkin spice and vanilla bean latte flavored small batch gourmet popcorn. It's vegan and gluten free. So I'm gonna definitely have to give it. I realize it has one of these tabs. Conveniently enough, you don't have to go anywhere to start eating it. That just, oh my god, it smells amazing. So good. Oh my god, my husband is not going to see any of this. I think I might have this taken care of before he gets home from work. Wow. I mentioned, it says that it's non-GMO, which is something I've really been trying to pay attention to lately to make sure that I'm not eating stuff that's genetically modified. This other one is a little ring that came, and it's the company's name is Ty, and this is the ring. It's this one right here. Try to hide my other one, but It is kind of adjustable, so you can squeeze it to fit your finger. Not sure how well you can see this, but maybe against my black you can see it a little bit better. But anyway, so it's adjustable. I chose the gold tone. You had a choice on this one of gold or silver, and I do wear both gold and silver. This necklace it has a little bit of gold and it also has silver, so it's kind of an anchor piece. I have earrings that have both gold and silver that I think it's such an anchor piece. So if you're wearing, it's because I wear this stuff all the time, and so I don't have to worry about like changing my jewelry to match my bag, unless I use this bag because, but I don't because I have silver and gold on. But a lot of my jewelry does have gold in it as well. Like this bracelet, part of it is gold. I have another David Yurman bracelet, and part of it is gold. And it just adds enough gold so that you don't have to feel like you have to change all your jewelry and that you're wearing the wrong color hardware and jewelry and everything. So anyway, fair with the teas. This was actually one of Oprah's favorite things in 2018. So it's got to be worth a try, right? This package actually has these different packages inside of it. And there's a turmeric ginger, turmeric ashwagandha, or something, turmeric pepper, turmeric spiced, and turmeric moringa. And I know that turmeric is supposed to be very anti-inflammatory, and so these are actually something that I should be trying, and I'm going to try to have one every day that I'm here. I'm going to leave them here, and I'll try to have one every time that we're here at this house. And I didn't want to try one right now. I'm going to get this thing opened. Okay, it says to do 1 teaspoon. So this is more like, I think going to be more like 2, just because it's bigger. And these they don't go together. So this is a little teaspoon that I got at Tea Havana a while back. I got into tea for like a minute. And so I think I'll do that much, and then add the water. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything.